Lucas' birthday celebration. Pinili ni Lucas mag-birthday dito. Marcus is patiently waiting. I need to pay first.
Can we go first?
I'm just gonna check the food. Ayan mga food nila. Oh, unlimited. Ano to? Unlimited food. Eat first. Yan. Nice. Malaki rin yung place. Maraming choices ng kainan. Saan na sila? There, may pasta. Oh, madami rin ah. That's mine. This for Marcus. Oh, ang cute naman. Oh, wala pa lang naman ang pizza. Ayan, oh. Alam nila kanya-kanyang kuha. Si Titus kumukuha ng kanyang pizza. Ay! Nahulog pa, Titus. Oh, galing ni Titus, oh. Good?
Yeah.
Lucas, what are you getting? How about this one? Ito naman ako kunin. Pink Hawaiian. Titus, you want broccoli? Good job. Salad, Ty. They have salad. Yung mga unlimited drinks. Oh. Naiwan na ako. Nasaan na kaya sila? Oh, daming pizza. See over here. Ano to? Oh, mga bread. Mga dessert. Oh, daming choices. Ay, nakahanap yung mag-aama ko ng table. Ito yung kinuha ko. First batch ng food namin. Yan na, kumukuha na sila ng kanilang drinks. Ano kaya ang drinks na kinuha nila? Yan. Oh, may icy sila. Tay, you like it here? Nice, see? Told you. Oh, yan na. Yeah, me too. Yes, happy birthday. You happy?
No.
You like this place?
I hate it.
Huh? You like it. How about you, Ty?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Daddy likes it too. Marcus likes it too, huh? Birthday, Lucas. Love you. A second batch, Daddy, huh? Oh, yummy. Third batch. Oh. Titus' favorite, lettuce. Come here, Ty. Titus, eat your lettuce.
Never mind.
Are you hiding? Good job. Marcus is checking the time. Si Marcus, Daddy's boy. Habang si Daddy niya kumakain. Oh. Sarap ng kain. After kumain, ready to play na ang mga bata. Marcus, hey Lucas, you don't have fun? It's okay. Yan, dessert time.
Wait, there's no phone.
Excited silang mag-dessert. Ay, Lucas so happy.
Sorry, it's a order.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Come on, Lucas, go get it.
Mommy, I want no.
Donut tie. There's a cake there too. I think Marcus is gonna like it.
Hey, let's go get plates.
Ayan, my dessert with coffee. And dessert ni Lucas. Dessert ni Marcus. Titus also wanna get a dessert, huh? Marcus. Yummy. What?
I almost throw up. I'm never watching that.
What, Tay?
I'm never watching that.
Why?
Go for it.
You almost throw up?
I'm the only one that's not spinning.
I know, he likes it. Because he's alone, that's why. Wow.
Yeah, you got it.
Let's go. What? Oh, we got 9 seconds. Diners are going.
Go, go, go. Time for ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. Yan, masarap ang mga pagkain nila. Satisfied naman kami. Lucas! Si Lucas naman, busy. Ayan. Ice cream time.
Who wants to fix?
Ayan.
There's the middle. What?
Marcus. Oh my gosh, it popped! I didn't get that. Marcus.
Mom, you full.
Oh my gosh, Ty.
You popped.
No, Lucas. Get going.
It's okay, you can try that.
Get the combo.
I want the combo. Thumbs up? Ay, thumbs up? Wow, yan na. Final dessert. Is that the final dessert?
No.
Yeah? No? Dessert. Time for dessert. Tay, can you do it? And help Marcus. Yeah, dessert. Yan na, kunin na nila kanilang prices. Yan, ang mga prices. Sabi ko ipunin muna nila, ayaw naman nilang ipunin. Ipunin naman yung mga to.
Oh my God.